myself Swati. I completed my bachelor's degree in Stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Shri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalaya. I joined Qspiders in the month of May 11 as an incubation student. Yesterday I got placed in a company called Hebbal Technologies. There were two rounds, technical round and HR round. Manual and SQL is taught by Shankar sir, Java by Anupama ma'am and Chidambaram sir, Salila by Namata ma'am. I have 5 requirements and this is my first interview got scheduled. I got placed in this. I attended grooming session. It will help me to crack the interview. Before going to interview, take help from faculty uh, to crack the interview. What questions they are asking, they will give you, and be confident while you are answering in the interview. And communication is very important. While you are answering, if your answer is wrong, also no problem. Be confident and answer in a good way. They will select you. I am very thankful to Qspiders faculty and my special thanks to Qspiders HRs who added me to this requirement. Thank you.